Now, I would like to thank the guy here in the JK Land booth. I started off asking about this sway bar you see here. It's a sway lock, which I don't know anybody personally who runs that. You know, a lot of people that run the anti-rocks, but not the sway locks. I had a million questions about it, and we got talking about his Jeep and all the work he does and the work I do. So just thank this guy for taking 20 minutes out of his day. I learned a ton talking to him. So I'm going to shout out these guys here at JK Land for all the information they were able to share with me that day. And the irony is, 6 days later, I broke the sway bar link on my Jeep in the Cahutta. Unfortunately, Senoia Jeep Fest is held the same day as Georgia Florida Day, so we had to get home and watch the game. Good pitch. So the score of the Georgia Florida game quickly got out of hand. So for the second half, we went out in the softball field and we got some practice in during the offseason. As the sun went down, we made s'mores. Brought the iPad out, set it up in the golf cart. We watched whatever game was on that night. Got to watch a moonrise and just enjoyed a beautiful night under the stars and an awesome conclusion to Jeep Fest. We got the moon rising with Saturn right there next to it. Golf cart. We got the college football playing over here on the iPad. Got the fire going over here. We just had some s'mores. And just sitting out here enjoying the night sky. Senoia Jeep Fest is over. We've been out here making s'mores and enjoying fire, watching football. And somewhere over there is a dog running around. We were actually out here. This is actually a softball field. You can't see, but we've been out here in the softball field practicing today too. Turn the light on. Golf cart. There's the little net for the softball field right there. Actually, that's where I'm at. I'm on, let's see. There's baselines there. First base, second base right there. Third base right there, and home plate's right down there. full moon rising.